The beyond demand for the US dollar as the most liquid asset pushed its index to the highest level in 3 years. Today, the index eventually conquered the psychological level of 100. Over the last 2 weeks, the greenback gained 5% against the basket of major currencies. Commodity currencies are the most vulnerable amid disruption in global supply chains. The US stock markets rebounded following pledges from Donald Trump to provide the population with emergency financial aid and support small business with soft loans. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed yesterday with a gain of over 800 points, following a collapse of almost 3,000 points a day earlier. Today, the index is trading higher, having added 5.2%. Nevertheless, this move could be nothing but correction. Nowadays, it makes sense to be cautious about buying stocks, even in light of Trump's proposal for the massive stimulus package. The US dollar index has been able to surpass the level of 100 points. In the New York trade, the index gained 0.6% on the back of a steep fall of commodity currencies. The US currency asserts strength amid higher demand for liquid assets. The market is alarmed by signs of the looming recession in the global economy. The rally of the dollar-yen pair could come to an end soon. Retail sales and consumer spending in the United States declined in February instead of the expected growth. The situation is set to worsen as retailers, restaurants and other firms will be closed for quarantine. The Canadian dollar is extending weakness against its American rival. On Wednesday evening, the USD CAD pair dropped to more than a 4-year low, having touched 1.4370. Today, both benchmark oil grades tumbled to the multi-year lows that sparked off jitters across markets. As the result, commodity currencies, stocks of mining companies and stock indexes hit historic lows. Today, Brent crude lost 7% in intraday trading and slumped to the level below $27 a barrel. That is the weakest level in 16 years. Amid such a tailspin, the worst scenario for $20 a barrel is just around the corner. Meanwhile, WTI plummeted to the lowest level in 17 years with a 9% loss in the New York trade. Today, Wall Street experts gave up their predictions that the global economy could avoid recession caused by the coronavirus. Now, analysts are speculating on its duration and the extent of the economic damage. You are watching Market News on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Tikhina. That's all for today. We wish you profitable deals. See you tomorrow.